Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker JBL Flip 7. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write JBL. Now search. And you need to scroll down and find JBL Portable. And then you need to install this application. Now open it. Click Get Started, then Accept. Hello. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!